And welcome to Learning Adobe Illustrator in a Year, Day 1. We're gonna go over all of the details of this program in this playlist. But first up, you want to use the same language. I'm gonna use English, as you can see here. Under Edit, Preferences, General, you might have searched for something to change the language, and it could be that you find it under User Interface. But that's only true when you have multiple languages already installed. So if you don't see it here, for example, I only have English installed, so I can't see it here. You might have found something under hyphenation. There is a language option, but this doesn't work for the UI, so it doesn't change your user interface. It's only for the hyphenation. So if you want to have a different language than the one that you've got installed, you have to check your Adobe Cloud. Let me open mine. And here you have to go to your account icon on the top right, then use the preferences. And now you will be able to find a language option. The first dropdown is for the Creative Cloud app itself. So for this window that you can see here, what you want to adjust is the second drop down for the default install language. Pick your language. As I've said, we're going to use English, North American, and then you want to download Illustrator again. So you actually have to download it for each language that you want to use separately. And as I've said, when you've got multiple language options installed, you might find it under Edit Preferences, but the easiest way to ensure that you only have the language that you need, uninstall the version that has the language that you don't want to have, then go to your Adobe Cloud, as I've said. Use the preferences languages and then the default install language, set it to what you need, download it again, and Adobe Illustrator should have the language that you want. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.